What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you the various payment methods available in Paxful, and I'll also show you how you can add the trade limits to the various payment methods. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop straight into the video. So I'll launch my app. That's how the Paxful dashboard looks like. For those of you that might not know, Paxful is an application that is used to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So you can use to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. To access the various payment methods, you click on Marketplace. And then where you want to click now is on your top right. So you drop down the filter. So I will have to mention that the available payment methods also depend on the country or the location you are in. Other payment methods will be available and others will be restricted depending on your location. So you can just change the settings there and type in the country or the location you are in. Okay, so once you've typed in or placed the location you are in, you can drop down the option of any payment method. And then as you can see, on top there, those are the various payment methods. The first one is bank transfers, online wallets, debit cards / credit cards, gift cards, digital currencies, cash payment, goods and services. So there are 8 in total. And the most popular payments are bank transfer, Airtel Money, MTN Mobile Money, and WeChat. So Paxful gives you all these various payment methods. If one payment doesn't go through, you can easily switch to another payment. With this being said, I'll show you on how you can add trade limits to the various payment methods. So you simply click the more filters option. So you have these options available. So how the trade limits work is help prevent you from incurring a financial loss in a case where you type in an amount of money to be transferred to a person which is more than you are supposed to send. So for instance, you've got $100,000 in your account, let's say your bank, and then you want to transfer 10,000 to a vendor. So instead of you putting 4 zeros at the end to make it 10,000 to be sent to the vendor, you accidentally put 5 zeros, which makes it 100,000. And then you accidentally send it to the vendor. So this is where trade limits come in. So you can say you want a trade limit in between 1 to 10,000. So what this would do, whenever you type in a figure to be sent to someone, if you exceed the maximum, your transfer will be declined because you've got trade limits. You've got a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10,000. So this helps prevent financial losses where you send someone money that is beyond what is supposed to be sent. So this is how you add your trade limits. So you can add them to your mobile money, Airtel Money, PayPal, and WeChat, and then you simply click on apply. And there you would have set your trade limits. As you can see, those are the various trade limits I've set for the various payment methods I'll be using in Paxful. So if you've learned 1 or 2 things on the various payment methods in Paxful and how to add trade limits to your payment methods, I really appreciate if you gave this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sticking out this far. Stay safe and feel free to ask any questions. I'll gladly respond to each and every one of them. And I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.